Hey guys, we're doing the team random now for the preferred for tonight, 6:09:46 PM Melbourne time. Random is live. Participants will do first 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Don't want anymore. Team list. What is it? 16, 17. 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alrighty, so we have Glenn Jackson with the Bulls, Darren Gibbs with the Kings, Murray with Cavs, Coulson with the Warriors, Rondell with the Spurs, Van Houten Pacers, Coulson with the Celtics, Darren Gibbs with Raptors, Bartley with Knicks, Murray with Hawks, Justin Marshall Hornets, Hudson with Rockets, Van Houten with Sixers and Wizards, Botts with Wolves, Carlos Paulino with Nuggets, Van Houten with Grizz, Carlos with Pistons, Fuck Your Random, says Dale, which is Dale Jazz, Carlos Magic, Dale Clippers, Dwayne Mavericks, Carlos hates the random is Lakers and Pelicans, Glenbow Bucks, Adam Bartley Heat, Mark Chris Suns, Carlos at Blazers, Darren Gibbs Thunder, and Dwayne Tatai Nets. And I'll just and then complete.